Let's tackle the intriguing age puzzle presented below. The combined ages of Mary and End is 44 years, and Mary is twice as old as End was when Mary was half as old as End will be when End is 3 times as old as Mary was when Mary was 3 times as old as End was. Solution. Let M represent Mary's current age, and let A represent End's age. Therefore, A plus M equals 44, which is equation 1. Mary is currently twice as old as End was. Since is used after Mary, it refers to Mary's current age. Similarly, since was is used after End, it refers to End's previous age. Let's say that constraint refers to End's age p years ago, which leads us to equation 2, M equals 2 times the quantity A minus p. Additionally, there is another constraint. In that specific year, p years ago, Mary's age was half the age of End at a future time, let's say f years later. We can express this mathematically as M minus p equals 1/2 of the quantity, A plus f, which forms equation 3. Furthermore, there is an additional constraint. End's age f years later in the future will be 3 times Mary's age at some other time in the past, which we will denote as t years ago. We can express this as A plus f equals 3 multiplied by the quantity, M minus t, which represents equation 4. Lastly, the final constraint states that Mary's age t years ago was 3 times End's age at that year. Mathematically, we can express this as M minus t equals 3 multiplied by the quantity, A minus t. Let's label this equation as equation 5. We now have a solution to this problem since we have 5 equations with 5 unknowns. However, instead of using the traditional method to solve these equations, I will utilize Excel's matrix functions for the solution. This will give you the chance to observe and learn how to utilize Excel in solving systems of equations, particularly if you haven't acquired this skill yet. Before diving into Excel, let's first expand the equations, collect similar terms, and arrange them to be ready for the matrix solution. If you like this video, please subscribe to Math and Excel YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.